Leathur Rokk here. I'm back, and welcome to my Ulta and Dollar Tree makeup haul. This was actually early in December. I had some computer problems, as you probably know, and when I got finished dropping off my computers to Best Buy, I found myself at a Dollar Tree, and I'd never been to a Dollar Tree before. And I was going to go there for the frozen food, but when I saw they had makeup, well, you know, me and makeup had to stop dead in my tracks. I got a Wet n Wild Full and Healthy Lashes Mascara, and I got an LA Colors Mascara, as you can see, a lash building formula for $1. Can't beat it. Oh, maybe this is a little on the bright side here. Is that... Should I turn that out? Okay, let's try it without. I got an LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and I really like the colors in this. I mean, this is something that I can actually see using. Maybe I should put the light back on for this. Can't tell which one of these is better. Is that okay? Maybe that's not so bad. But I really like this palette because it has a teal, it has a green, it has another, like a blue shade, it has a purple, it has a fuchsia, and this blue shade even ventures almost on purple. So I could get a lot of use out of this, unlike so many palettes that have a lot of one shade that I don't care for, or they go too neutral. This is nice and bright, the way I like it. I also got an another LA Colors mascara. Each of these mascaras that I got, by the way, is totally different. Each one, no two are the same. I got an Oxy Maximum Strength Acne Medication. This is a 10% benzoyl peroxide. And when I think that the last time I got acne medication, I got 10% benzoyl peroxide from Paula's Choice, and it ran me close to 20 bucks. So, and this is for 0.65 ounces, and I'll show you the tube. Not bad for $1, and it's a known company. I got a BB cream. I've been in the market for one, but it's hard to find one that's light enough for me. It's called, the company is called Sassy Chic, and I believe they're from Canada. Yeah, they're made in Canada. And this is indeed light enough. I happen to be wearing it today. Now they say BB creams are best when your skin is at its best because they're not very full coverage. And my skin is pretty good, so that is what I'm wearing right now. I got 2 SPF 50 sunblocks. They were 3-ounce tubes, and you guys know that I really strongly believe in my sunblock, and SPF 50 is stronger than most of the sunblocks that I have now. So, but I only got 2 of them because I really want to use things up. And it's good to have a repertoire of SPF strengths for depending on what you're doing. Because lately we got hit with a snowstorm. We got snow twice in a week. And when you have a lot of snow out there, you want a high SPF because snow is very light reflective. Everything's very bright. We got snow drifts that are almost up to my crotch. That's how high the snow drifts are. This is a roller for underneath the eyes to unpuff. If you have bags in your eyes, and when I get up in the morning, sometimes, my God, my bags are so bad, they are ready for a transatlantic flight. So if this works. Now this is nice and cold. It's a roller ball. It feels really wonderful. And one of the third ingredient on this list is niacinamide, which is vitamin B3. Niacinamide is really great for its anti-aging benefits. And this also has caffeine in it, which also helps to unpuff the under eye area. Now, how long you have to use this before it starts to make a noticeable improvement, I really can't say. I have been using this on and off for a couple of weeks, and I don't know that I notice any improvement yet. I imagine it takes a while, like with any skincare. But I think I am going to repurchase if I go there again, because for a quarter fluid ounce, 0.25 fluid ounces, it says HP.I Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum, Instant 3-in-1 Treatment for dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines and wrinkles. And the company is called Skin Nutritious New York. It says with green tea extract, vitamin B3, and vitamin C. Now, you do know, don't you, that any vitamin C underneath 20%, really, you're not going to notice any immediate results. And anyhow, vitamin C is very unstable. This is from LA Colors. This is a lipstick and lip gloss duo made in one of my absolute favorite colors. I'll show you the lipstick. Here, I'll turn the light out so you can see it. Obviously I can't try it on now because I'm wearing a red lipstick to go with my dress, but it's this absolutely amazing purple color. If I put some on, like more of the fuchsia side of purple. But I think that's absolutely to die for. And it comes with, on the other end, is a lip gloss. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like without light. Okay. Now, I'm experimenting with filming in the kitchen because I figured since I have something that kind of might pass for a Christmas tree, I wanted to show it off. That's the main reason why I'm filming in the kitchen. I'm going to wipe this off my arm so that I don't smear it on things. Okay, back to my haul. Okay, these are the things I got at the Dollar Tree. And I got a bunch of grocery items, which this isn't what this video is about. Then I made my way to the Ulta. And the great thing about this Ulta I went to is that they were able to I was able to pay for my purchases using gift cards that I only had numbers for. And so I was able to buy makeup that way, and it was really great. I didn't have to spend any cash, and for under 25 bucks, I'll show you what I got. I got 2 of these. These were L'Oreal True Match. I got the Warm #1. The Cool #1, believe it or not, was darker than this. And if they had neutral, I didn't see it, but it was the lightest one that they had, and it seemed to be a perfect match for me. And they had Maybelline Fit Me Pore Matte and Poreless. And the shade is 102 Porcelain. This also was buy one, get one half off. So I got 2 of these, and I got 2 of these. And so far, I haven't tried the True Match yet, but I am very happy with the Fit Me foundation. I like more, I don't like really greasy foundations as a rule because my skin tends to be oily, but the way I see it, even in the wintertime when my skin will dry out a little bit, I wear enough skincare to moisturize it, so I really like the feel of this foundation. It seems to last long enough. It is a buildable foundation coverage. It starts off with a medium coverage. You can get a full coverage easily. I can wear it without needing to wear a concealer on top of it. Like, in other words, I can use this. This is enough even for under the eyes, and you don't need to put on so much that it could cake underneath it. So I am very happy with this. If you want to take pictures when you've been out all day, you might want to press down on any areas where you have fine lines and wrinkles. That will just make them a little less noticeable because that will eliminate any caking that will get inevitably. That's almost any foundation. It'll happen. But if you go like this, it disappears. So, but I was, all in all, I was very, very happy with my purchases, and that was my very first time at a Dollar Tree. I can't wait to go again. And I will probably, because I will be taking the other computer to Best Buy, so I will give me another excuse to go makeup shopping. So, I won't be gone so long. I wasn't able to post videos because I did not have a computer. I went to Best Buy with 2 dying computers. This one here just got back from Hewlett-Packard. And I have to go through data recovery because the other one I lost everything, and I don't even want to get into that in this video. But if you like these videos that I record, please hit the subscribe button and that bell notification thingy, then you will be notified when I make my next uploads. My normal uploading schedule is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I'm going to try to resume my schedule, so hopefully you will see this on a Tuesday. And I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. And until we meet again, I'm Leathur Rokk, and you're not. Talk to you soon. Bye.